Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV. If you're a fan of compact SUVs, you're in for a treat today. Toyota's RAV4 has been a top seller for years, and now the next generation model is on the horizon. But here's the twist. It's not a complete overhaul. So, what's changing and what's staying the same? Stick around as we dive into the details of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 legacy continues. The Toyota RAV4 has been a powerhouse in the compact SUV market, consistently topping sales charts in the US and beyond. Even as competitors ramp up their game, the RAV4 remains a fan favorite. But as the fifth generation model nears the end of its life cycle, Toyota is gearing up for its successor. What's new for 2026? While the upcoming RAV4 isn't a complete redesign, it's getting a significant visual refresh. Think of it as a polished version of the current model with sleeker lines and modern touches. The front fascia will feature Toyota's latest design language, inspired by the Prius and Camry, with wraparound DRLs and a honeycomb grille. From the side, the RAV4 retains its iconic silhouette, complete with two-tone roof options and bold lower cladding. At the rear, expect a full-width LED taillight cluster and squared-off styling with silver accents for a contemporary look. Interior and tech upgrades. While we haven't seen the interior yet, Toyota is likely to follow the lead of the redesigned Camry. That means higher quality materials, a more advanced infotainment system, and premium features like a head-up display, panoramic sunroof, and wireless charging. The tech lineup will include a larger infotainment screen with sharper graphics, along with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa for seamless voice control. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, don't expect any major surprises. The 2.5-litre engine and plug-in hybrid setup will likely return, with slight improvements in power and efficiency. There's also buzz about a fully electric variant, though details are still under wraps. Pricing and release. The 2026 RAV4 is expected to debut later this year, with sales starting in the fall. Pricing will likely remain competitive, starting around $29,000 to $30,000. So, what do you think of the updated RAV4? Are you excited about the changes, or were you hoping for a complete redesign? Let us know in the comments below.